Hello friends, today is April 17th, 2020, and on April 10th I thought of putting some indoor plants into water to check if the roots will come out or not. So this is exactly a week from the day I have put these plants in water, and let's see the result. So I will tell you the name of the plant and also I'll show you the result. So this was just an experiment and let's see how successful it is. So the first one is Coleus plant. So you can see this colored leaves of Coleus plant. Many of you must be aware. Earlier I had shown you the videos where I had grown this plant through seeds, and it is also possible to grow this plant through the stem. So this is the two ways of propagation which I tried earlier. Now I am trying to grow it in water and see the result. So I will take it off of this bottle and check it out. Within 7 days this is the result tree. It's perfectly amazing. Okay, so first one passed. Then we have this Hoya plant, I guess. Yes, so this is Hoya plant, and this one I know I have been growing it in water, so I won't be amazed to see the roots for this one. But to show you, I'll show you the roots. So you see there are some thin roots on this and some big roots over here. So these roots had already, these were already placed in water before 10th of April, and that is the reason you see such a good growth here. But yes, you can consider growing Hoya plant indoor. The reason why I am showing Hoya plant in the same list of plants which can be grown inside is, earlier I was growing this in water but as an outdoor plant. So in shade but an outdoor plant. This time I have got it completely indoor in a room with no window, just under the light, the tube light, no growing lights also. So it's a lockdown time when we are working from home, and so the light is on for at least 10 to 12 hours, and this is sufficient for the plants to grow. And that is the reason why I thought that okay, let's try to grow some plants indoor and see the results in water. So the dirt kind of makes the indoor dirty, so I thought of growing them in water, no dirt, and the result is fab. So two success. Now coming to the snake plant. So snake plant comes in lot of varieties, and I have seen videos of people showing the snake plant growing in water, but to my surprise the leaf has become rotten from the bottom. So this is a negative result. Okay, this one is still good, but there is no root. And this one also, if you see, it's rotten. So it is it was not able to grow roots in water. So there was only one leaf which is in healthy shape. I will put it back in water for some more days and check the result. And the remaining two leaves I will put it under shade. I will dry its base, let it to callus, and then I will try to grow it in soil, because earlier I had grown these in soil and they have given me small babies. So I'll go back to my old way of growing, propagating the snake plant from leaf. Now this is I've forgotten the name of this plant. Okay, I'll check and put it in the description. So you must have seen this plant. It is green on the top and this has purple on the bottom. This is also a kind of spider plant, and so this was growing in soil. What I did, I removed it from soil and I put it in water. So the white roots which you see here, so if you see, there are white roots here, all growing up in water. And this one was not done on 10th, this was done on 12th. So only in 5 days it was able to grow these white roots. So a good result for this plant as well, and we can grow this in water indoors. So out of 4, 3 successful results. Okay, so the next plant is our very favorite spider plant, and let me just show you the result. And this is just in 7 days. So to my surprise, spider plant is the winner of this whole event of all these plants which I was growing, because in 5 days none of them has shown such a great result. And if I would have put this spider plant in one of my videos of propagating spider plant, I have shown you how to grow it in soil, but the results are really slow in soil and really extremely fast in water. So next time I'll always prefer to water to propagate this spider plant. And now I have a bunch of this Hoya leaf. Let's see if they have given me some result. So no result for this leaf so far. So Hoya leaf take more than a week to grow in water, but I know they grow in water, so let's give them more time. Then coming to this next spider plant. Now seeing these amazing results of the spider plant, just a day back I planted the spider plant in water, and I'll show you 1 day growth of the root. And if you see this, it is amazing. In 1 day you have got such healthy root growth, just in 1 day time, 24 hours time frames. So now you can imagine the result of growing spider plant in water, and I am definitely sure that you will try to grow it in water and see the result yourself. So this was from my today's video. And just to repeat the name of the plant, so this is Coleus, which can be grown in water and in indoors. Then this is Hoya plant, which can be grown in water and in indoors. Then this is spider plant, which can be grown in water and in indoors. And then we have this plant for which I'll tell you the name later, which can be grown indoor. In case the snake plant also give me the root, because this leaf look healthier than rest of the plant, then I will reshare the results with you. But for now I will not bet on snake plant to grow it in water. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe, and happy gardening.